Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and this is why I pre-bake ribs. You can see I've got my ribs in there, and this is just 250 degrees Fahrenheit, and they're tightly covered with aluminum foil, and that's just an aluminum dish. And the reason I use that aluminum dish is because when I'm finished with it, I can just properly discard it. Makes it a lot easier. But I pre-bake ribs. I've got the ribs, I've got a can of soda. You can use whatever brand. I just used a cheap soda brand. Poured that all over it. Put garlic salt, or not garlic salt, garlic powder. If I had a fresh garlic clove, I would have used that. I chopped up an onion, covered it with that, and then I added sea salt and fresh ground pepper, and that's it. And I'm pre-baking them at 250 degrees for 3 hours. And again, depending upon the size of your ribs, that may be different. But what I'm going to do after that is put them on the grill on top of hickory. So they'll already be tender, they'll already be flavorful, and then the finishing part will impart the meat with hickory flavor, and then also firm it up. Because you don't want a tender rib that's just kind of flimsy. In my opinion, I want a rib that's firm, yet so tender that all the meat comes off the bone. Hey y'all, Captain IrixGuy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.